Hey folks, today I want to do a case study video about the Marvel OEM smartwatch for any of you out there who are thinking about OEM smartwatch from China. Company background. Marvel Entertainment, LLC, formerly Marvel Enterprises, is an American entertainment company mainly known for its comic books by Marvel Comics, as well as its forays into films and television/streaming shows, including those within the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU. Marvel Enterprises wants to launch two Avengers and Spider-Man smartwatches for Marvel fans. We recommended smartwatches for Marvel to do OEM on top of the existing ones to meet Marvel's needs. Themed elements include Marvel watch faces, Avengers or Spider-Man button icons, and brand hang tags to elevate the Marvel smartwatch experience. Let's talk results. Please let me summarize the key points of Marvel OEM custom options. Built-in Marvel watch face. Marvel watch protection film. Custom Marvel logo on the strap. Custom Marvel hang tags. Custom Marvel user manual. Marvel packing box. There you have it. That was the Marvel OEM smartwatch case study roundup. If you have similar OEM smartwatch customization needs and get a free OEM custom smartwatch solution, send me an email at info@smartwatch.com.